What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. As promised from the last video, I'm going to reveal the second car we have for this channel. I'm going to take a little break from the Q50 real quick. This is my baby right here. If you guys haven't seen my last video I did, was an install for this rear diffuser and how to actually wire it and then install it without putting any screws on top. So if you want to go check that video out, link will be down in the description below. But let's finally show y'all what's under that cover over there. So yes, this is our 1966 Mustang Coupe with a 289 V8. Recently we just changed out these LEDs. It obviously had the old school halogens, so we're trying to do a little old school with new school. So this is actually an LED with the halos and a switchback turn signal. We just changed this out too as well. Changed all the emblems. Just did new wheels and tires. American racing wheels. Coming to the interior. The minor mess inside there, still work in progress. Yeah. We just did this two-tone here. This was black before. We just ordered this door panel cover for the tan. I plan to do the whole interior this color. This nice tan interior. It is a 3-speed manual. Yes, we actually do have a manual for this car. But yeah, man, this is a nice little project. Yeah, man, we got some plans for this car. So as well as the Q, I'll be taking you along with this Mustang build as well. You know, a nice little Japanese over there with some American muscle over here, man. You gotta balance it out, you know. But yeah, man, I'll give you a little start up, a little cold start on how she sounds, and then we're gonna do a little drive around town. And there she is, guys. 1966 Mustang Coupe 289 V8 with a 3-speed manual. We just put on these wheels. Just redid all the emblems. Added LED brake lights. I don't know if y'all can hear me. All that roll. Replace that. Replace the stock tips. There's another interior shot for y'all. It's coming along, man. It's coming along. And don't roast me in the comments, man. I'm now learning how to drive stick like properly. So if y'all got any kind of you know, advice on how to drive stick, especially these older sticks, let me know. But I'm pretty. I mean, I didn't install a lot. Y'all didn't see me install a lot, so I think I'm doing pretty good. You know, I'm an actual car guy now. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah, man. So along with the queue, y'all will get some Mustang content, some old school Mustang, maybe some new school Mustangs too. Not gonna lie, every time I drive this car, all those newer Mustangs try to race me and try to, you know, downshift and rev match and right next to me, you know, so they can hear it or whatever. But I do get thumbs up on those Mustangs too, so it's a different type of, you know, ball game with this car. This is our second car to the channel. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified every time we post a video, man. It's gonna be a nice, you know, nice fun concept with this car. Y'all heard that exhaust, man. Y'all heard that exhaust, and that's completely stock. So we're gonna have some real fun with this car, you know, burnouts, all that stuff. But we want to try to get it running good, man. It should be running kind of, you know, kind of choking a little bit, but you know, it's a work in progress, guys. It's a work in progress. But again, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.